So we're quickly going to go over the tie-in locations and the wire size specifications for thermostat tie-ins. These are line voltage thermostats we'll be using, which is rated for 120 and 240 volts. We're not using line voltage thermostats. Low voltage thermostats. This control panel is all 110 volts. What we'll be doing is breaking contact on this red jumper with the yellow tag on it, or the purple jumper with the green tag on it. They have two different functions. So we'll be using this line voltage thermostat, as you can see. And we'll be using 14-2 wire, 14-2 Romex. We do not want low voltage thermostat wire used in this application. So we'll be removing our jumper. This first jumper, the yellow tag one with a red jumper, is to shut the heater off 100%. It turns the blower, burner, and all off and shuts the heater down. The second option would be to put this heater onto low fire. So we would remove this jumper and put the thermostat in its location. Thermostat wired, the jumper would be removed and our leads would go on either side of where that jumper is.